Hello guys, today we are going to see how to easily disable your internal keyboard on your laptop when you are on a Linux system. This technique has been tested in Ubuntu, but you can probably do this in other operating systems, other Linux based operating systems also. So let's first go to GitHub, to this folder. Once you are here, in this particular link that's given in the description below, just enter and you have to just download the code. You can do a zip download also. So let's go here, click on code, and let's download the file. You can save file now, okay. And once the file has been downloaded, the zip file has been downloaded, click on the folder and let's go here. So when we go into our home folder now, we can see that this particular zip file is already there, ikbdop-main.zip. okay, all we have to do is right click on this and you have to say extract here. Once you have extracted on this home folder, we can see this ikbdop internal keyboard operation main folder has been created. Just go double click on it and you should see 3 files. We are interested in this particular program. In order to access and run this, to enable or disable your internal keyboard, let's open a command prompt now. Here let's go to internal keyboard operation main. Okay, once we are in this folder, in this command prompt, let's take a look at this internal keyboard operator.sh. we have to make this particular file executable. So let's do a csmod +x ikbd.sh. Once we have done this, it's a simple matter to just check the status of the keyboard, internal keyboard. You just give the option status and we can see that the internal keyboard has been attached. Now we can just run the same command. This time we can do a try detaching the internal keyboard, and once you have done this, it executes some command, and if you try to detach it again, it says that it has already been detached. So as you can see, the internal keyboard of the laptop has already been successfully detached. Now you can check this by running the status again, okay, and once you run the status, we can see that the internal keyboard has actually been detached. In order to reattach the internal keyboard again, we just have to run the same command this time, and this time we just have to say attach, and once we attach, it says that it is executing some input command, and if you now check the status, you can see that the internal keyboard has been attached again. So that's it guys, you just have to run this particular program with either status or attach or detach. These are the 3 simple options. Thanks a lot guys for your patience.